Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my herbal teas real quick. This is my strainer that I use. Okay. I just take my herbs. This is my blue lotus. Okay, I put it in there. This is hops. Hops is actually what they use to make beer in Germany. They use hops to make beer. Okay, so these are some of the high vibrational herbs that I use, that I drink to keep me calm, chill, you know, vibrating high. You know, I don't pay attention to people's bullshit because I just be vibrating too high. Like, I'm drinking beer, cervezas, okay? In Spanish, beer is cerveza, okay? This is my moringa. Dang, I put more beer in there than moringa. Come on, girl. Just put some more moringa. There you go. So now it's like all full. And then you would actually close it like so. Oh, shit. Excuse the noise, but I really just wanted to be outside, so it's a vibe. Okay, sorry about the noise. I apologize about the noise. Don't say sorry. Apologize. And then it just goes into your hot water like so. And then I let it sit and let it steep, you know, for 15 minutes, and then I drink it. And then that's it. I'm only not putting it in here right now to drink it because I'm actually going to go live and make a live video about this.